Tokyo just can't hide his excitement for his favorite treats. Furpal dog treats are finally here, with lots of options and flavors. Sobrang kulit niya habang paikot-ikot. Parang alam na alam niya na para sa kanya ang mga dumating ni snacks. Hindi talaga siya mapakali tuwing maririnig niya ang tunog ng treat bag. Instant zoomies. Treat time has never been this fun and flavorful. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Bumili na kayo ng Furpal's Dog Treats for your doggies.